What's up, beautiful babies? Welcome into Sugar Fingers. Listen, today I just wanted to let y'all know that I tried a simple hack and I was posed the question about putting nail tips on with base coats. Now, the base coat that I used was from Double Dip. This is their dip base coat, and I applied this nail tip on my thumbnail. Yes, and honey, let me tell you, it is on there. It is on there, and I have, you know what? I never thought about it, but I have used this base coat before on my nails and was wondering why they wouldn't come off, like why they stayed on so long. And now I understand this dip base coat really works. Honestly, yes it does. And I was so super shocked, so I just had to take off my thumbnail. I had my birthday nails on and I clipped them down, and I said, well, let me just try something today. And honey, this is super great. So if you have a dip powder, dip base coat that you want to use for like nail adhesive, y'all, this thing is on here so tough, so tight, unbelievable. Super unbelievable. I never ever thought in a million years, and I have several of these around here. I do use dip powder, but not that often, but I do put on tips now quite frequently. And honey, I can save my money on glue now. What do you say? This is awesome stuff. Okay, now this is from Double Dip, but there are other brands of the dip base coat that you can use, because I know I have Memphis, and I do have another, I believe it's Cuccio, that I have as well. But this is awesome. So just to let you know, that tidbit works. And I want to thank one of my subscribers for bringing it to me. Her name on YouTube is Extra Cream Extra Sugar, and I will just put her comment on the screen right now. So just again, trying out some of my subscribers' little great tips, and they usually work. And no pun intended, but it works on my tips. The base coat on there, and I'm pressing, I've been pulling, and it's going to take some work to get it off, but I will soak it off if I don't keep this tip on. But thanks a lot, Extra Cream Extra Sugar. Your girl Sweet Angel signing out right here on Sugar Fingers. Listen, like, comment, and please subscribe, and I will see you all on the next one. And please keep your hands looking gorgeous. Toodles!